What is up, everyone? This is Motorola. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the GTA 5 error blocked loading of the file x input 1_4.dll. So let's get around to this. So this is a DLL error that comes up for GTA 5 and it's mostly related to BattlEye. So I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. So if you're trying to do this on Steam or Epic Games Launcher, all you need to do is right click into the game, go into properties, and in the first thing under general where it says launch options, you're basically going to write -no BattlEye. So like as you can see how I spelled it here, space no -no BE capital. That's it. You're just gonna do this, press X, and then launch the game, and this will basically disable BattlEye, and you should be good to go from Steam and Epic Games launcher perspective. If you're trying to play it directly from the GTA Rockstar launcher, as you're seeing over here, just go to settings, and in here just disable this BattlEye thing right here. It just says right here, enable BattlEye anti-cheat in support files, but basically you can uncheck this box to disable BattlEye. Once you do this, you should be good to go and not have these errors persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then Motoro's out. Peace.